Welcome everybody to Bajerski YouTube channel. Today we're talking about crystals, incense, oils, aura sprays, and this is more about the darkness at the moment growing stronger and what we can do to strengthen and protect ourselves. I have to say that the cleansing kit for entities and attachments was always a massive success. I can't believe what a big success it was. People absolutely loved it, and it consists of I think one of the most beautiful, strongest, powerfulest crystals for the darkness to basically fear. It doesn't like it. If you've got any kind of entity attachment, trap spirit, it hates that frequency and energy. The crystal, funnily enough, is from Burma, and Burma is an interesting place. So Bajerski is something that I've never heard anybody speak about. Very, very, very rarely, but never mention what I mentioned. The reason why is because as a healer we can see frequency, and we lay crystals on clients over the years and we see what difference it makes to them. I would say Bajerski is probably the strongest for clearing dark entities, for sure. So what we did was we created a kit to help people, because the amount of people who were suffering from what they believe psychic attack, that's the closest they could call it, meaning that something is happening to them that they don't know what to do. They feel like they're being invaded. They feel like their thoughts are not their own. They feel like something's in them and around them that's causing them, it's not me, Mark, it's not me, what is it? Bajerski is definitely the crystal. So I created a pack. I said to the girls, we need to create a pack. So we need cleansing sticks, we need aura sprays, we need everything that will help them. So right now, I normally put, because it's such a good deal, we normally knock £100 off. So I can't do that many because it's almost like a gift. But there are a few on markbajerski.com right now. So I can't promise they're going to be there, because I think there might be only 3 or 4, something like that. They might have already gone this morning, but they're there, and we'll try and do them through the year every now and again. But the actual kit is there at the price, the normal price, which is 300 and some, I think, 300 and some. But anyway, go and have a look. That kit works really well. In fact, I have it all in here. I work with it in here. I have all the oils, exact oil sprays and incense in here, in this bag. I take it with me, like I do many other kits that I have in here as well. But that's the first thing. The second thing, if you do get the kit, if you do end up buying the kit, then you're going to automatically create 4 raffle tickets. And 4 raffle tickets will go into a jar, and at the end of the month, hopefully your name will be pulled out, and you're going to either win the first prize, which is the most beautiful museum grade Moldavite hedgehog. Gorgeous. And then there's runners-up prizes. Lots of runners-up prizes. So that's good right now. Any £25 you spend on markbajerski.com, you automatically get a raffle ticket. So that's great. I think that's it. I think that's enough information. I was going to talk about another crystal, but that's enough. If you just want to buy that crystal, go to your local crystal store. It's called Bajerski, spelled Mawsitsit, and you've got to make sure it's from Burma. There's a lot of that people have sent me, oh, is this what? No, that is definitely not from Burma. That is not Bajerski. It's a different crystal. So be careful, okay? I source mine, and they're very rare, by the way. Very rare to get hold of. I don't know how many I've got left on my website, but I have some rings which work equally well. Earrings which are fantastic. Always keeping your mind clear and free from negative thoughts from entities that are always around every given moment. And here in Bali, well, in the next couple of days, they are fully, the whole of the Balinese Hindu religion are going to work on clearing evil from their island. and I'm going to enjoy participating in that. I'm going to meditate and fast at that particular time as well, which is on the 19th. It's called Silent Day, the quiet day, so nobody speaks, so that evil just passes by and goes somewhere else. Evil doesn't like silence. Evil doesn't like calm, love, compassion. It doesn't like meditation. It doesn't like positive thoughts. Pass by, let it go. Have a great day, guys. Take care. Love you all. Bye for now.